Are you searching for best DSP amplifier for car audio? Hey guys, I am Ratul Khan. I have been working on AliExpress products for about 4 years. Hopefully, my experience and guidelines will help you best product choice. Today I am going to reviews top 5 best DSP amplifier for car audio in 2024. Number 1. Wiring Harness for X150W Car DSP Amplifier. Features. This product is non-destructive audio car modification of new products, exclusive use of quad-core 32-bit DSP processing chip, nanosecond processing speed, DRC dynamic music processing, using DSP computer tuning technology. Lossless installation, easy tuning, take up a small space, 15-band EQ floating point high-precision tuning system, high and low-pass filter, adjustable sound field delay to achieve spatial editing, gain control, phase control, harmonic function, limiting function, built-in Bluetooth, support mobile phone to play lossless music, 8 storage modes, you can use time delay by smartphone. Number 2. PUZU PZ-C7 Wiring Harness for X150W Car DSP Amplifier. Description. PUZU PZ-C7 Wiring Harness for X150W Car DSP Amplifier Car Radio Sound Upgrade Digital Audio Signal Processor for Hyundai Volkswagen. Features. PUZU High Power Car Amplifier DSP Audio Processor Lossless Audio Modified Subwoofer for CH in 6CH out, exclusive high definition sound quality processing chip, high quality car DSP audio processing power amplifier, correction of sound quality, correction and compensation of sound. Loss and delay during transmission, restore the sound shape, restore the original waveform phase in the source signal, make the treble, mid-tone, and bass in the music spectrum more natural and full, and rich in detail and expressiveness, enhancing bass. Bass is more vigorous and fuller, full of rhythm. Sound effect, 3D stereo surround sound effect increases the texture and space of the original sound, which is comparable to hi-fi audio. Number 3. Sennuopu DSP Processor for Channel Amplifier. About this item, the DP X10 packs high-quality audio media player, amplifier, and digital signal processor into a compact, designed to simplify great audio. Every amplifier combines advanced switching amplifier technology with an integrated, full-featured digital signal processor, DSP with amplifier. 4 input channels, 4 output channels car amplifier with 8 channels digital signal processor. Built-in power amplifier 50 watts RMS 4 at 4 ohms. Also could external power amplifier. Large frequency range from 20-20 kHz, DSP with HD Bluetooth player, UDisc playback input, USB audio input, optical input, support audio formats, WAV, AIF. AIFF, FLA, ALA, MP3. Support LCD remote control, PC software and phone app, DSP settings and adjustments made with Windows PC via USB, also Android phone via Bluetooth, adjustment details, 8-channel digital processor, 31-band EQ with fine-tuning, adjustable high, low, and band-pass filters. Number 4. Sennuopu Dp X10 1000W DSP Processor. The car amplifier DSP Dp X10 packs high-quality audio media player, amplifier and digital signal processor into a compact. Designed to simplify great audio, every amplifier combines advanced switching amplifier technology with an integrated, full-featured digital signal processor. Dp X10 is a high sound quality audio media player, Hi-Fi BT 5.0 player audio scheme application, UDisc playback input, USB audio input, optical input. Dp X10 is a 4-channel power amplifier. The 4-channel amplifier combines advanced switching amplifier technology, real-time checking and correcting errors in switching circuit, adjusting the dynamic effect of output filter, correcting and amplifying in time, making the amplified sound output smooth, fine and natural. Dp X10 is also an 8-channel digital signal processor, used of 2 dual-core high-end high-res audio processing chips, The appeal of the instrument and the sound separation degree has been natural expression, warranty policy, return refund, 1-year warranty, no reason to return goods within 15 days. This warranty don't fit damage caused by accident, misuse, or modification. Only the parcel without personal error, use, or damage which not affect the second sales of the parcel. Number 5. QIYOU DSP Amplifier for Car Audio, 31-segment EQ tuning 4 and 8-out Bluetooth 5.0 Car Intelligent Audio Processor Lossless Tuning DSP Audio Accessories. Product features: 4-in and 8-out, fiber coaxial, high-definition lossless playback, Bluetooth, lossless tuning app. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and stay with us.